We're
cute.
not-
I
and you
can't
heard-
even say it.
Do it. Just make a
Say it.
Oh yeah.
If you heard.
Oh, what would you do? No, dumb. It's all loud. I'm like really, really loud, and I think that's like a cell zone right
Whatever.
there.
Come on. Do it.
Are
Okay.
you accusing me of
Now, what would you? Were you there that day?
No. Just do it.
It was
Say
just you. Oh, you guys. Neither of you guys were there, huh?
Where?
You weren't there either,
You
were
told me
you?
the
Where?
story. It was funny.
Oh, okay. Wait for that guy to leave. Alright, what would you do if I'm like your 30-year-old ugly husband and I'm sitting here sleeping on you, and then suddenly, by the way, your husband starts snoring like this. And he's like having like a seizure, basically. Like,
No.
no, wait,
When I'm
like,
recording. Here.
and I'm just sitting here, right? Okay. And so I'm like this. Wait, okay, now let me see the video.